Hey, what's up, YouTube? We're back at it again with another food review, and this time on Zaxbys chicken Philly. I got my chicken Philly and fried, and you're wondering, does it look like the image? No, it doesn't. This is what it looks like IRL. All right, just a zoom in picture of that. I'm gonna keep it up there because that's what I'm looking at right now. But let's get straight right into the review. Cheers, my friends. Let's go for the first bite. This thing is kind of messy looking. Mm. I just ate a piece of onion, quite sweet if you ask me. All right, first bite. It's already dropping everywhere. The bun is not enough to contain all the things that is put inside the sandwich. But average amount of cheese. I don't taste the other vegetables. Let's eat a fried chicken part. Hmm. Cheese is quite average. I don't taste the vegetables. Outside of the bit of sweetness that the onion brings. The chicken. The chicken is being overpowered by the cheese, in my opinion. The bread is quite soft, but it's more like I think it's on the edge of being like too wet because of the cheese. Let's get one last bite before I give it a score. Yeah, I know my model is going crazy, but it just happens when I eat. Here's what it is. My sandwich is falling apart. The cheese is the strongest thing in this sandwich. Only vegetable I taste is the onion, and I barely taste the sweetness of it. Chicken gets overpowered by the cheese, and then the bread is just uh it feels like store-bought sandwich bread. That's what it tastes like. But overall, this is quite a average sandwich, and it deserves an average score. So I give it a 5 out of 10. So I don't know how to make an outro, but like, comment, subscribe, follow me on my socials, links in the description, and yeah, see ya. Bye.